Well, at some point, probably some of them are going to be buys. I'm not sure all of them are going to be buys. Look, these things, we were in a very deflationary environment with very low interest rates, which made, growth stocks, which made people pay up for growth stocks and with earnings very far out. And I think we're just in a very different environment, and I think we will be. I think implicit in buying those stocks right now, you have to think Larry Summers is very wrong. You have to think that inflation is just going to reverse and the Fed's not going to have to do much and that the put is still there. And I think all of those assumptions all go together. And if you believe that, you should be buying growth stocks. That's just not where we are right now. So we do own some growth stocks that, high multiple growth stocks that we think are long-term winners, and we're willing to ride it out and hold those in our portfolio. But it's a managed portion of the portfolio, and I keep a very tight watch on it because I just don't think this is the environment for them.
Joe?
In the next, until inflation's under control.
Joe, is Jay Powell going to give you a reason to buy the financials today, or is he going to pull the rug out from under those who believe now's the time?
Well, if he attempts to pull the rug out from those that want to buy them, it's an opportunity. Jay Powell has an inflation problem. Amy just very clearly stated why exactly growth stocks will be challenged as we move forward. I want you to think for a second. You mentioned the wealth effect before, Scott. What's also part of the wealth effect? Real estate and shelter and the critical contribution that shelter is in inflation. Scott, has the real estate market cracked? Has the real estate market corrected? Or do we still have the hottest real estate market in the last 15 years? So that tells me we have to cool the economy a little bit more than the chairman might expect. That means rates are going higher. And yes, without question, while we have that strong real estate market, I want to own financials. I've been saying that for the better part of the last 6 months, and I think that's the right place to continue being.